Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the successor and predecessor. So we have to know that what we mean by successor and what we mean by predecessor. There are some definition of successor and predecessor also. Successor means for any number, the successor is for any number. Its successor means the number plus one. Number plus 1, given number plus 1. Suppose we will write a definition of the successor for any number. For any number, its successor is number plus 1. So what is the successor for any number? For any number, its successor is the number plus 1. Number plus 1. We will take example of successor. That is 1, 5 means of 50. So what will be the successor of 50? What will be the successor of this 50? The given number is 15 and we have to find out the successor of this 15. So what is the definition of this successor? For any number. Now this is the 15 number. So what will be the successor of this 15? So successor is the number plus 1. So 15 plus 1, that is 16. So 16 is the successor of 15. 16 is the successor of 15. We will take another example. Suppose 599. This is a given number and we have to calculate or we have to find out the successor of 599. So 599 plus 1, that is 600. So 600 is the successor of 599. So we can calculate easily by adding the number plus 1. Addition of given number plus 1. By adding 1 in a given number, we will calculate the successor of given number. Okay. Now we will discuss about the predecessor. We will discuss about the predecessor. So predecessor of any number, there is also a definition of predecessor. For any number, its predecessor is number minus 1. So there is a basic difference between successor and predecessor. In a successor, we have to add 1 in given number, but in predecessor, we have to minus 1 by given number. So we will take example of predecessor, that is 19. It's a given number, and we have to find out the predecessor of 19. That is 19 minus 1. It will be 18. So 18 is the predecessor of 19. 18 is the predecessor of 19. So we can calculate easily or we can find out easily the predecessor of the given number. We have to minus 1 by given number. We will find out the predecessor of given number. Now question is that, can you tell me what is the successor of? Okay. 209. What is the successor of given 209? So what will we do? Successor means addition of given number and 1. So 209 plus 1, that will be a 9 plus 1, that is 10, 0, then 1 is there, 1 and 2, 210. So 210 is the successor of 209. 210 is a successor of 209. So by adding 1 in given number, we can find out easily the successor of given number. Same, how we calculate or how we find out the predecessor of given number. So we will take example for you. Is predecessor of 908. This is the given number, that is 908. We have to find out the predecessor of 908. So what will we do? We have to do 908 minus 1. So 908 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, it will be a 7, 0 as it is, and 9. So 907 is the predecessor of 908. So 907 is the predecessor of 908. So we can calculate easily, we can find out easily the successor and predecessor by adding in a given number by 1 or 1, that is the successor, and minus 1, that is predecessor. We will take another example, that is success, and this is predecessor. Given number. Okay. If we take 100, then 704, then 508, then 1000, and 10,000. Okay, this is the given number, and we have to find out the predecessor and successor. Okay, so predecessor means minus 1. So 100 minus 1, then 704. So 704 minus 1. After that 508. So 508 minus 1. After that 1000. So 1000 minus 1, and 10,000. So 10,000 minus 1. If we minus 1 from given number, we will find out, we will calculate the predecessor of given number. So what will it? It will 99, then 703, then 507, then 999, and after that 9999. Deal with the predecessor of this given number. 99 is the predecessor of 100. 703 is the predecessor of 704. 507 is the predecessor of 508. 999 9,999 is the predecessor of 10,000. This is the way of find out the predecessor of given number. Now we will discuss about the successor. How to calculate the successor? What is the formula of successor? So given number plus 1. So same 704 plus 1, 508 plus 1, 1000 plus 1, and last one 10,000 plus 1. Same procedure is that 100 plus 1, that is 101, 704 plus 1, that is 705, 508 plus 1, that is 509, 1001 plus, so 1001, so 10,000 plus 1, that is 10,001. This is the way to find out the successor and predecessor. So today we will discuss the successor and predecessor. You have understood better. Thank you.